Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final video in our comprehensive course on building a successful business with 3D printing. I'm excited to wrap up our journey together and share some final thoughts on where we've been and where we're headed next. Over the past 32 videos, we've covered a wealth of information, from the basics of 3D printing technology to the intricacies of running a thriving 3D printing business. We've explored the evolution of this dynamic industry, delved into the various types of 3D printers and materials, and learned how to create our own 3D models and prototypes. But the true value of this course lies not just in the knowledge we've gained, but in the practical application of those skills. We've discussed cost analysis, business planning, target market identification, and marketing strategies, all essential components of building a sustainable 3D printing venture. As we reach the end of our time together, I hope you feel empowered and inspired to take the next steps in your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're just starting to explore the world of 3D printing or you're already well on your way, the insights and strategies you've learned here will serve as a solid foundation for your success. Now, I want to leave you with a few key takeaways and a special invitation. First and foremost, remember that the 3D printing industry is rapidly evolving, and the most successful businesses will be those that stay ahead of the curve. Keep an eye on the latest trends, technologies, and market shifts, and be prepared to adapt your strategies accordingly. Secondly, don't be afraid to take risks and experiment. 3D printing is a field that rewards innovation and creativity. Be bold, try new things, and don't be discouraged by the occasional setback. Each challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. And finally, I want to invite you all to join me in the next phase of our adventure. In the coming weeks and months, we'll be exploring the world of 3D printers and accessories in more depth. I'll be sharing product reviews, tutorials, and insider tips to help you find the perfect 3D printing setup for your business. So, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest 3D printing goodness. Together, we'll continue to push the boundaries of what's possible and build the 3D printing businesses of the future. Thank you all for joining me on this incredible journey. I can't wait to see what you'll accomplish. Happy printing!